keep on. Never say die, keep on. Blackness, keep on. Never say die, keep on. Blackness, never say die, never say die.
I'll be so glad
Repossessed my car. Don't push me.
House music all night long.
I see no changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask.
You better watch out.
Hey guys, happy Black History Month. My name is Mariama, the Queen.
My name is Mahogany.
And my name is Richland, and today we're going to be watching the Scenes to the Top documentary, Sounds of Blackness. We have Mariama starting us off. Today we're taking a journey through Black history, culture, and music with this documentary, Sounds of Blackness. Music has always been more than entertainment in the Black community. It's been a voice and a method and a form of power. From the 1960s through the 2000s, Black artists used their music to speak about what was happening around them. Civil rights, pride, struggle, joy, identity, and change. During times of protest, progress, and transformation, music helped tell a story of Black experience when other voices were not always heard.
As we explore artists from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and 2000s, listen closely to the lyrics, the sound, and the emotion. Think about how the music connects to what was happening in the Black community during each era, and how these messages still matter today. This isn't just music.
It's about history, resilience, and expression. Let's watch, listen, and learn. Let's sit back,
Relax,
and enjoy the show.
and play along.
I'd like to do a tune for you now that I wrote myself.
But today, again I ride.
I see her face everywhere I go. On the street, and even at the picture show. Have you seen her?
Hi guys, I'm Samira. And I'm Kate. And today we're going to be talking about the key events that happened in the Black community during the 1960s. We'll also be talking about the influential artists of the 1960s.
Key events that happened in the Black community during the 1960s. 1963, March on Washington, I Have a Dream speech. 1964, Civil Rights Act ended legal segregation. 1965, voting rights and Selma marches challenged racial laws. The era also included the rise of Black Power, the founding of Black Panther Party in 1966, and the tragic assassination of Malcolm X during 1965 and Martin Luther King Jr. during 1968.
Influential artists of the 1960s, like Aretha Franklin, James Brown, Sam Cooke, The Supremes, Stevie Wonder, and Jimi Hendrix. Music as a voice. Songs like A Change Is Gonna Come and Respect reflected hope, frustration, and determination during the fight for civil rights.
The 1970s followed the civil rights movement, but freedom was still incomplete. Legal segregation had ended, but racism, inequality, and police brutally remained. Economic struggle, Black power, and self-determination. Black studies program expanded in colleges. Artists became voices for the people.
We don't need to escalate. You see, not the answer.
My name is Nashua. These are my Sounds of Blackness. This is So For Real. Hi, my name is Jacob, and this is my Sound of Blackness, Michael Jackson, if you didn't know. And including for my name, Jacob, I'm the GOAT. Happy Black History Month. Sound of the 1970s. Black music in the 1970s was deeply connected to Black life, joy, struggle, pride, and resistance. What was happening in the Black community? The 1970s followed the civil rights movements, but freedom was still incomplete. Marvin Gaye, What's Going On, confronted war, poverty, and police brutality. These are also stuff that was in the 1970s. Natural hair, African clothing, and Black-owned business.
Music of the 1970s and what was happening in the Black community. The sound of the 1970s. Image, Black music in the 1970s was deeply connected to Black life. Joy, struggle, pride, and resistance. Major genres and artists, soul and R&B, Marvin Gaye, Aretha Franklin, Al.
Happy Black History Month.
My name is Kyrie, but my real name is Raheem, and this is Lil Durk. This is my Sound of Blackness, and my favorite song is All Love.
Hi, my name is AJ, but my real name is Daniel, and my Sign of Blackness is this rapper. His name is Cass Cobain, and my favorite song by him is called Rum Pump.
Happy Black History Month from teens to the top.
Lil Durk is the best rapper.
Major music movements, pop and crossover success. Michael Jackson, Thriller 1982, broke racial barriers on MTV. Prince blended funk rock pop. Black artists reached global. Rise of hip-hop. Hip-hop moved from the streets to the mainstream. Early pioneers, Run DCM, LL Cool J, and Grandmaster Flash. Late 80s, Public Enemies brought pro-Black messages. R&B evolution, smooth published sounds with social undertones. Artists like Whitney Houston, Anita Baker, and Luther Vandross. Gospel influence. Gospel continues shaping Black music and culture. Church music blended with contemporary sounds.
Happy Black History Month.
Hi, my name is Leilani. What's the code? And my favorite artist is Party Next Door. My favorite songs by him are probably What's Good / Curious and TBE.
Hi, my name is Zaya Lee. My favorite artist is Junaico, and my favorite song by her is probably You vs. Them.
My name is Quadra Ward. My favorite singer is David, and my favorite song by him is Feel. Happy Black History Month.
Claremont Neighborhood Center, we celebrate Black History Month with you and the whole Claremont village from teen to the top. To all of you, thanks for taking this journey with us through the sounds of blackness.
Fragile platinum gold. Drop. My praise go quantum. It falls through time. It's a hallelujah. In every word I rhyme. Okay. When I speak his name, dimensions quake. I'm